Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you see this large smile on my face that I cannot wipe out at all, this is a typical, usual, happy woman's smile when she gets her favorite jewelries. So today's video is in collaboration with the beautiful, lovely company Read Your Heart that has reached out yet again to me, and they allow me to pick up another pieces of their exquisite jewelry. Read Your Heart, it's a jewelry company specialized in Moissanite. Moissanite is a perfectly laboratory created gemstone that has the same fire and hardness as the diamond has, but the price is 10 times smaller. So I think this is amazing to have similar diamond properties and at a very affordable price. The mission of the Read Your Heart company is guided by their vision. Read Your Heart, record your memories. We are here to celebrate life's most joyful moments with you, encapsulating those treasured moments into modern, timeless jewelry you want to wear each and every day. Whether it's a perfect piece for yourself or a thoughtful gift for a loved one, we hope your unique jewelry will serve you as a joyful keepsake for many years to come. Thank you for allowing us to capture those precious moments with you. The founder of the brand, Alyssa, is an editor of a fashion magazine, and Read Your Heart was originated from a romantic trip to the Antarctic pole. I have described the story of the Read Your Heart company in the previous video that I did a while ago, so I will be sure that I will link that video in my description box. Of Alicia that went to a romantic trip to Antarctic pole. She spent there the most unforgettable time of her life, but the only sadness that has surrounded her upon returning, it was the fact that she has lost her engagement ring. But even more surprising is that towards and also I want to let you know that Read Your Heart has right now the Mother Sale event, so this is a great opportunity to get a piece of jewelry for your mother or for anyone loved in your family. So I'll have all the details down below, including a discount code. I want to tell you that Read Your Heart ships worldwide, and they do offer free shipping, which I think is great. I always love when companies do free shipping. I'm going to show you the packages that I received. So first of all, you always receive this gift certificate together with a gift bag, and you also get a polished cloth with the same personalized logo. And here is the Moissanite certificate. Those jewelries are certified by Moissanite, which is a global gemological research association. So I have 2 pieces because I have 3 exquisite jewelry to share with you today. I haven't opened them yet, I just received them in mail. So I'm going to start with the biggest piece. I love this Tiffany blue color of packaging. I'm keeping all my Read Your Heart packages. And here we have a beautiful bracelet. And I also have the same stone on this necklace that I have it from Read Your Heart. So this is one of the existing pieces in my collection. So I'm going to take her out and show it to you. And here you have the actual closure. I think I will be able to put this by myself. So this bracelet is the Emerald Series Diamond Sterling Silver bracelet. All jewelry settings are available in 10 karat, 14 karat, 18 karat yellow, rose and white gold, as well as platinum. Please contact their support if you want to have them customized in that type of metal. So the second package is smaller, and here we have our ring. I think I never showed you what the rings are coming, but they are coming in this plastic bag. Here is also written Read Your Heart. Very pretty. I love the cushion inside. And this is the Vintage Halo Round Moissanite Marquise Milgrain engagement ring. This retails right now for $139.85 US, and I have it in the shade, not in the shade, in the size 6. And the third and the last piece of jewelry that I picked up for today, it's a pair of earrings. Oh my god, they are absolutely gorgeous. So those are the Halo Round Moissanite drop earrings in sterling silver, and those are on sale from $179.41 US to $119.99. So you have a great sale, also 30%. So I'm going to put everything on and I will come back. Just one thing I wanted to show you. The earrings have the pin support, so I find this being more secure because you just pin them and then secure them on the back side. So I love this type of closure, and also I find it to be very easy, at least for me. I don't need to look in a mirror. Alright, so those are the earrings. I love them so much, they are very beautiful. Now I'm going to put the ring. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. So the camera doesn't make justice. Okay, I'll have to put the ring on my left finger because this is the 6 size, or the size 6, and yeah, this is the only place where I can put it. It looks gorgeous. And the last piece of jewelry is this bracelet. I'm starting to grow, or bracelet starting to grow on me, and I thought this bracelet will make a great companion for the necklace. Just I hope that I will be able to put it. So this is the way you open it, and I also love the fact that you have some adjustment to do, because my bracelet that I have it from, this is not from a company, it's just bought from a jewelry store. It has one size and it's quite large for me because I have a small wrist, so I'm fighting with this problem all the time. This is what the bracelet looks on. I want you to see it. Isn't she gorgeous? And I still have room to shorten it even more, but I will have to request my husband help to do so, because this is as much as I can do with one hand. Love it. I absolutely love everything. So don't forget to check Read Your Heart company if you want to give yourself or to someone love in your life an exquisite piece of jewelry. And now I'm going to quickly show you my Read Your Heart or my Moissanite collection. So first is this absolutely gorgeous necklace. I get so many compliments every time I am wearing it. And then I have this beautiful ring, similar to the one that I got today. Next is this one. This is also a halo ring. This is my favorite. I cannot stop wearing this. You can see me that I am wearing this ring in most of my videos. This is size 6.5 and this is size 7. So this is the difference. And the one that I got today is 6. So now I have all the sizes that I can wear. Size 6 is definitely the smaller that I can go. And the last ring I have is this. So this is the Moissanite series, of course, Fashion 6-prong sterling silver ring. And this is also on sale right now. This, I believe I got it in the size 7. Very delicate. I would say it's the most delicate out of everything. So yeah, this is my collection. This is my Moissanite ring collection. I love each and every piece that I got from Read Your Heart, and I'm very grateful that I got the chance to work with this amazing company. And I want to thank you guys, because this is all thanks to you. You have made this possible by watching my videos and helping my channel to be seen. So I want to take a moment and give you a special thank you. So this is everything for today. Please let me know if you have picked up anything for the upcoming Mother's Day for your mother or for the lovely woman in your life. So yeah, I would really love to hear that from you. Happy Mother's Day to all amazing mothers, grandmothers, and even fur baby mothers out there. We all love our children and we all deserve to have a wonderful Mother's Day. And guys, don't forget that the most beautiful makeup is your own smile. Have a wonderful day ahead, and I'm looking forward to see you again with another video.